Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got about 10 minutes to do my makeup and head out the door. So I'm going to show you my everyday look to get in and out with my everyday makeup look and still look good. First I'm going to go in with this VFX primer. This is extremely creamy, you guys. If you have combination skin to dry skin, this is perfect for you guys to get the hydration that your skin needs, as well as get your face primed. It's perfect. I personally like hydration stuff. I love how hydration feels on my skin. I just absolutely love it. Next, I'm going in with this Pro to Fit eye primer. Put this on before your eyeshadow. Make that color pop and stand out. Get the most out of all your eyeshadow that you're going to use, and it also helps it stay on a lot longer than if you would not have used it. So I'm just gonna put that on to cover my eyelids where I'm gonna put eyeshadow on. And yep, you can see how that covers my eyelids there. And that's just the bottle I'm going to show you guys. How awesome is that, you guys? That little bottle has been a lifesaver to me. And next I'm going in with my Stay Matte foundation. My number color is 8 with this company. And it is just a perfect match for me, you guys. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand and go in with my foundation brush and get the coverage that I want. And you guys, if you're looking for full coverage foundation, this is the perfect one. It is a light wear, you guys. It feels really light when you put it on. And I like not heavy coverage that weighs you down, because I know a lot of foundations do that I've tried. It just feels horrible. But this is the first one that I've found that works for me. It's really light and comfortable, as well as you get the full coverage. So it is the perfect best of both worlds. And I'm just gonna color that in with my foundation brush, get the coverage where I want it. And you can tell the difference in my face and on how that covered. You can see how amazing that goes on, you guys. I'm just going to finish up here. Get coverage even more where I need it. Guys, I love how you can build up your coverage with this foundation. You can go light coverage, full coverage on this up depending on where you want it. And I'm going to go in with our Time Lock setting spray here on top of a blending sponge. Just wet that up with my setting spray and just blend. Just blend the foundation even further into my skin, as well as blend in the areas that I need it blending at to look flawless, like I'm not wearing any foundation. And also it's going to take off the extra foundation that I thought I needed but didn't. And it's gonna make it look perfect and smooth. As well as the setting spray is going to help it set as well. This is my go-to. This is my peach palette. You can use this as a contour, highlight, blush, and eyeshadow as well, which I'm going to do today. This doubles up as all of that, which I love in makeup. I love multiple use makeup like that. It saves a whole bunch of time to get in and out the door. And I'm going in with the brown that you can also use as contour, as well as the eyeshadow, and I'm going to fill in the eye primer that we put on. I'm gonna get the two eyelids even, and that's just perfect. I'm gonna show you the look there. And then I'm gonna blend that in with an eyeshadow blender, and we're gonna start on our lips. I'm gonna go with an e.l.f. primer. Unfortunately, my website does not have a lip primer just yet. So e.l.f. works just as good. I love them as well. I used to use them before I started with this company, and I tend to go back and forth with certain things that my company does not have. And this is the gloss that I'm going to use in Satin Rose. Oh, she is thick, you guys, and sticky like any lip gloss. It goes on pretty easy. Also, I'm gonna start rubbing that in, covering up the primer. And how pretty is that, you guys? And next I'm going behind that with my lip brush just to dry it off and get the pigment where I need it onto my lips. How beautiful is that, everyone? And last but not least, I'm using my Time Locker setting spray to set it all to last for a couple of hours. And that's it. Please feel free to like and subscribe to me. Until next time.